Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter, just open it and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose this one. Then let's enter this edit icon, so this kind of a pencil icon, and tap. And actually, let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact, which does not have any kind of photo applied. So we have to tap on this camera icon, and as you can see, we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let me choose this option, and it's up to you which app you will use to complete the action. So it does not really matter. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And here in this step, we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of it, and basically thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it just like you want to, just tap on save in the left upper corner, and this is how our contacts will look like with the photo. So if you're happy with your choice, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our contact with the photo applied. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.